January 19, 2020 was a big day for Dick Melsheimer and Martin Cherrington as they were awarded for being pioneers in the HDD industry.
Dick Melsheimer, you are truly a pioneer of the HDD industry. Oh, yeah.
Along with being inducted into the HDD Hall of Fame, both answered questions to a standing room only crowd about their contributions to the HDD industry.
I got a little patent on a machine called a dynamo, which is about a 30 horsepower hydraulic operated machine, and that started the whole industry where you could ream and pull the pipe back through the hole at the same time.
After the event, Melford Borzall held a private dinner event for close friends and family.
Even though it's a huge company, worldwide company, they really care about the customer. They care about their distributors, and they treat everybody as a family.
As far as the supplier, they're the absolute best. I mean, they're our #1 product, and we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for Dick and Peter and Eric and the whole Melford Borzall team.
The only problem with Dick Melsheimer is we don't have enough of him to go around.